Okay, we were dealing with the linear function of x. Now what happens if y is equal to x squared? That is a power function of y. Okay, the process is like before. We will use the basic definition of the CDF of y, that is probability of y less than or equal to y is equal to probability of x squared less than or equal to y. Now, in order to obtain this inequality, what we have to do is plot the graph of y equal to x squared. This will simplify our understanding. So this is the graph of y equal to x squared. Okay. Now let me just quickly change the color. Okay. So basically, since x squared is less than or equal to y, or y less than or equal to y, and y is any arbitrary value on the capital Y axis. So basically we are trying to find the value of y is less than or equal to y. This will happen when we are in this range, that is from minus root over y to plus root over y. How this comes about? This is y is equal to x squared, x is equal to plus minus root over y. So as long as x is in this range, that x is greater than minus root y and less than plus root y, our inequality will be satisfied. Okay. So we are getting that this comes to this, that x is greater than or equal to minus root y and less than or equal to root over y. So from the definition of CDF, this becomes f of root y minus f of minus root y. Okay, so we have established a relationship between the CDFs. Now, in order to establish the relationship between the PDFs, we will again use the definition that the PDF is given by the differentiation of the CDF, and the CDF is given by f of root y minus f of minus root y. Okay, we now do a substitution that u equal to root over y, that is y to the power half. So du by dy becomes half y to the power minus half. From basic differentiation concept, this comes about. Okay, so in order to evaluate this, we'll carry out the chain rule again. This becomes df of u du by dy plus df of minus u du by dy. So we know that du by dy is half y to the power minus half. So this is half y to the power minus half, and this is also half y to the power minus half. So we can take half y to the power minus half common. So this becomes df of u du plus df of minus u du. Okay. U is given by root over y, and minus u is given by minus root over y. So from the definition of the PDF, this becomes f of x root over y plus f of x minus root over y. Okay. So we are now, if we take this y in the denominator, it becomes root over y here. So this is what we come up with, that f of x root over y plus f of x minus root over y. Now if f of x is an even function, that is, it is symmetrical about the y-axis, this is an even function, like plus side and minus side identical, that is f of x is equal to f of minus x. If this is true, as it is mentioned here, we can simply write this, that f of root y and f of minus root y will be equal. So together this becomes 2 f of root over y. I made a slight mistake here. This is not an even function. Okay, the PDF must be an even function. This is not the PDF. This is the relationship between y and x. This is not the PDF. Okay, the PDF of x, if PDF of x is an even function, then f of root over y and f of minus root over y will be the same. Okay, so this becomes 2 f of root over y if they are equal. Okay, so 2 cancels, we get f of root over y divided by root over y. So we have established a relationship between the CDFs and the PDFs of y, and the CDFs and the CDFs of x and CDF of y, and the PDF of y and PDF of x.